Normal monsoon, slowing inflation, rising industrial production, and a strong global Q. There was no dearth of good news on Dalal Street today. The Sensex rallied over 500 points and the Nifty ended above 7,800 for the first time since the 1st of January of this year. Bluechips dominated the rally, but midcaps were not far behind as they also managed to clock gains of over 1%. As always, Anuj Singhal joining us to wrap up today's market action. Anuj will have a big smile on his face, not just because of the rally that we saw, but because it's also a long weekend. He's coming back to work on Monday. Anuj, would you say this is one of the first few times in a long time that we're actually seeing maybe the economy and the equity markets in sync with the markets actually reacting on strong economic triggers?
Oh, clearly, today's rally largely was driven by the domestic cues. Though, you could look at the global market and say that it was a big global party as well where we participated. But the fact is that the profile of stocks that rallied today told you that the market is, really heaving a sigh of relief in terms of what's happening with monsoon, or at least how, as far as the first predictions go of a normal monsoon. And the market latched onto that news and saw that stunning rally. In fact, large caps dominated trade today. Economy-facing stocks did well today. That was telling you that the market's belief is that this above normal monsoon or normal monsoon could be potentially a big trigger for our market. So as I said, it was a large cap driven day led by the stocks which are economy faced. In fact, let's talk about the stocks which led the market rally. And you can see that the top gainers, M&M was up 7.5%. That's a tractor company. ICICI Bank up about 5%, the largest private sector bank. And of course, BHEL as well, infra-related stock, that was up about 5% as well. Auto names did well, led by Maruti, that was up 4.5%. Bajaj was up 5%. And Tata Motors was up about 3%. Some other Nifty gainers today included stocks like Hindalco. So that was the global part as well, up 5%. Ultratech Cement was up 3%. And ITC as well was up about close to 3%. New highs. A lot of stocks are hitting new highs. From the index, we had Hero MotoCorp at a new lifetime high. IndusInd Bank was at a new lifetime high. And Grasim was at a new lifetime high. So the move in some of these names has been just phenomenal. The large caps outperformed, but it's not that the mid caps didn't participate at all. There were some gainers like Tata Chem, Kaveri Seeds, SRF, which were all up between 5 to 7%. And not just that, stocks like J Kumar Infra, Infibeam, Shilpa Medicare, all of them up between 8 to 18%. But that really was the side show. The main show was in the large caps. And today we had a party as far as the bulls are concerned. And they'll enjoy because they have a 4-day weekend. And they'll join back on Monday, hoping to extend the gains.
Right, it's a party on the Dalal Street. It's a party for Anuj as well. He's back on Monday for work. Thanks a lot for joining us with that analysis. Now let's